So hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel, and in this video I'm going to be showing you how to download music from Spotify. Alright, a lot of you guys have been searching, looking for a way. Probably there's this music you love and you want to download it to Spotify so you can play it offline. Alright, and most times it's only available for the premium users and you don't know how to go about it. So in today's tutorial, I'm going to share exactly how you can do it. Even without mobile connection, you'll be able to listen to this music. And again, if you also want to download this music to your mobile device, I will also be showing you exactly how to do that. So let's get into it. So the first step is visiting this website. All right, so just come to this website that is showing. So just come to this website. All right, so once you're on this website, I will be going straight forward. So the next thing, just follow me step by step. It's pretty straightforward. Come to the search bar, search for Spotify. All right, search for Spotify. It will come up. Just click on it. So once you click on Spotify, the next thing you need to do is to click on where it says inject now. Click on it and you will be brought to this interface. All right, so basically all you just have to do if you are here is to download two apps. All right, because already I have done mine and I don't need to repeat this process for you. It's pretty straightforward. Just read what is here. As it says, download and install this app. They're running for 30 seconds to unlock this content. All right, so follow the steps what is written here, and once you have done that, automatically your Spotify will be downloaded to your phone, to your mobile device, either iOS or Android. So all you have to do next is to follow me. So the next step now, as I've said before, I already downloaded mine on my phone. So let me just go to my Spotify app that I downloaded. And as you can see, this is my Spotify app that I downloaded. So let me just open it. As I've said, this feature is a premium feature, all right, on Spotify. That is why you need to download it from that website, all right. Now, as you can see here, it's showing premium, all right. As you can see on the bottom left here, it's showing premium. That's to tell you, that is to tell you that this is a premium Spotify account, all right. Now, all you have to do is either you download it here and play it offline. It's as simple as that. Okay, let me just use juice word extension. Because of copyright, I'm not going to be playing any music here. All right, I'm not going to be playing any music. So that you can download it directly from here. All right, as you can see, this is the download button showing up here. If I click on download, automatically it will start downloading. All right, and same as I've said before, I don't want to download anything here because of copyright claim on, because I'm not the owner of the music. All right, so basically this is the download icon. Once you click on it, you automatically start downloading. All right, so it's as simple as that. That is how to download music from Spotify Premium. All right, so if you enjoyed this video and if it works for you, give me a thumbs up. All right, peace.